In this video, I will show you two ways to enable automatic call recording on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So if the first method does not work out for you, the second will definitely work out for you. Some versions of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G comes with the inbuilt automatic call recorder feature, while some don't. For those versions that comes with the built-in automatic call recorder, the way you enable it, which is actually the first method in this particular video, is to go over to the calls application. Then on the top right, you're going to see this three dot icon. Go ahead and tap on that, tap on settings from over here, and then you're going to see the record calls option. Select that, and over here you can see the auto record calls, which is actually the automatic call recorder feature. You can enable it by tapping on the side button over here, and then to further customize it, you can tap on the auto record calls text over here, and then also select the type of calls you want to automatically record. So you can set it to all, so that it records all calls automatically, or only for the saved numbers. You can as well set it to record only specific numbers, and then go ahead and add those specific numbers from your contacts over here. Or finally, you can set it to record all calls except specific numbers, and then go ahead and add those numbers that are exempted from over here. Also, you should be able to find all of your recorded calls from the recorded calls option over here. But if you're in regions where this feature is not supported, or your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G does not support the feature, we're going to be using an app from the Google Play Store. So open up the Google Play Store, come over to the search input, and then you want to search for the Cube ACR application. You can see the suggestion, select it, and then make sure you download and install this application into your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Once the app is installed, you can open it up directly from here, and then follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. So tap on next, grant it all of the permission it requires. So click on allow, click on OK, and then also give it access to your location as well. So click on grant, and then select on allow all the time. Click on the cancel icon on the top left, and then tap on it again, and then tap on it one more time. Now you want to go over to the more option over here. This is going to launch the browser of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, but you just want to scroll all the way down, and then go ahead and tap on the Galaxy Store. So basically, we are supposed to get the RCA helper application to enable the app work properly. You can either get it from the Galaxy Store or any other store over here, but since we are using a Samsung phone, so we are just going to tap on the Galaxy Store. From the Galaxy Store, you want to tap on the install button over here, and once the Cube ACR helper application is installed, you also want to open it up directly from here and set it up as well. So click on next, click on grant. While using this app, allow, and then finally you want to tap on the enable app connector over here. Select on installed apps, and then make sure you turn this on. So select it and then turn it on. Tap on allow from over here, and we are good to go. So click on OK, and then open up the Cube ACR application from over here. Now finally, you do not have to do anything at this point. If you try to make any call on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, you're going to notice that your call is going to be recorded. So from the top notification center over here, you can literally see that the call recorder app is currently active. If I end the call and then go back to the call recorder application, you should be able to see your recorded calls from over here recorded automatically. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.